Good morning, everybody. This class I am going to give some introduction of quantitative aptitude. So, the basic ideas I am going to give. So, aptitude plays a vital role for appearing all competitive examinations. Not only competitive examinations, for placement, wherever you go, whatever the exams you write, everything that aptitude needed. Okay, before starting the preparation of the aptitude, you should know, you should learn some basic concepts. Very simple things. Number one is you have to know the multiplication table. You have to know the multiplication table. Up to 10 by 10 table you should learn. Number 2 is numbers, square numbers, up to 30 squares. You have to by heart actually. So here 1 squared is equal to 1, 2 squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, 4 squared is equal to 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is equal to 81, and 10 squared is equal to 100. So this is, you know that everybody knows very well that. Then 11 square is equal to 121, 12 square is equal to 144, 13 squared is 169, 14 squared is 196, 15 squared is 225, 16 squared is 256, 17 squared is 289, 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361, 20 square is equal to 400. Okay, so up to 30 square you should learn. 21 square is equal to 441, 22 square is equal to 484, 23 square is 576. 23 square is equal to 529. 24 square is equal to 576. 25 square is equal to 625. 26 square is equal to 576. Here is 676. You can compare. So the difference is only 100. 24 square and 26 square, 576 and 676. The difference is 100. Then 27 square is equal to 729. 23 square is equal to 529. 27 square is equal to 729. You can compare this and this. Then only you can by heart very easily. Okay, you will learn very easily. So then 28 square is equal to, so what will be that? So this is 729, this is 784. So therefore 484 and 784. The difference is 300. The difference is 200. The difference is 100. Then 29 squared is equal to, this is 441. Here is 841. The difference is also 400. Okay, so you can easily keep all those things in your mind. So then 30 squared is equal to 900. Okay, so up to 30 square. So you should learn, you should know wherever it is asked, you are able to say. Okay. Okay. So first thing is multiplication table up to 10 by 10. Then the square numbers up to 30 square. Up to 30 square. Then the cube number up to 10. Cube numbers. 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. 5 cube is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 216. 7 cube is equal to 343. 8 cube is equal to 512. 9 cube is equal to 729. 10 cube is equal to 1000. 10 cube is equal to 1000. So therefore, so you have to make all these numbers and up to 30 squares. You have to make these numbers are friendly numbers. So wherever you see this 7 to 29, definitely you should know that 9 cube, not only 9 cube, so therefore already 27 square. 27 square is equal to 729. 9 cube is also 729. Okay, so therefore this is 27 square is also 729. So therefore you have to like that. Similarly 8 cubes equal to 512. So similarly you can say that 2 power. Actually this is 2 power 3. So therefore this is 2 power 9 is equal to 512. 2 power 9 is equal to 512. You have to compare. 343 is also a very interesting, very friendly number. So therefore you have to make these numbers are friendly numbers. Understood? So therefore up to 10 cube. Then some algebraic formulas. Number 3. Number 3 is a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us take this is number 1. Number 2 is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus b square. Number 3, ab is equal to, simply I can write ab is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b the whole square. If you add or if you subtract, so you will be getting this a plus b the whole square plus or minus a minus b the whole square. Okay. So therefore ab is equal to a plus b the whole square is equal to this minus a minus b the whole square. So therefore this and this everything will be cancelled. So therefore 4ab. So therefore you will be getting here 1 by 4 into ab is equal to 1 by 4 into a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Okay, so you will be getting 4ab. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Therefore ab is equal to 1 by 4, something like that. So similarly, fourth one is, if you take plus here, you will be getting what? A square plus b squared is equal to, a square plus b squared is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square, here is a square plus b square, minus 2ab plus 2ab will be cancelled. So therefore you will be getting 2 times of a square plus 2 times of b square. So if you take out 2, so therefore 2 times of a square plus b square is equal to this. Okay. So therefore this is also important. Then next one is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Sixth one is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube plus b cube. Number 5, 6, 7. Then a minus b the whole cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab square minus b cube minus b cube. Number 8 is a cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Then ninth is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square a minus b into. So here is a minus b, here is a minus b, therefore here is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square plus b square. Okay. Then the tenth one is a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square. The 11th one is a minus b is equal to a cube minus b cube divided by a square plus ab plus b square plus b square. So these are all very basic algebraic formulas. So we are going to use these formulas whenever we require, we have to use. Okay. So then fourth one is the numbers. Number A, the subdivision A, the sum of first n natural numbers. The sum of first n natural numbers, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. So here I can write the average of the sum of first n natural numbers, the average of first n natural number, the average of first n natural number is equal to the sum of the number divided by n. Therefore we will be getting n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2, the n will be cancelled. B, the sum of squares of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Similarly, I can write average of the squares of first n natural number is equal to n will be cancelled, therefore n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. C is the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. This is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. The average of cubes of first n natural number is equal to divided by n. So therefore it will be n into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 4. Or otherwise n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay. Then D is the sum of first n even natural number. Even numbers is equal to n into n plus 1. So therefore the average of first n even integers, first n even natural numbers is equal to the average of this is divided by n. You will be getting n plus 1. Then E, the sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to simply n square. So therefore 1 plus 3 plus etc. up to n numbers. That means 2n plus 1. The nth term is 2n plus 1. So then the average of first n odd natural number is simply n, because n square divided by n is equal to n. Okay. So therefore these are all very basic. So you should learn all first. The next is, first one is table, second one is square number and cube number, third one is algebraic formulas, fourth one is average, fifth one is, fifth one is multiplication, shortcut multiplication. Shortcut multiplication of two-digit numbers. First is two-digit number. Two-digit number. Okay, suppose let us take 47 and 36. So therefore, how to multiply it? You can take the first column from right. You have to take the first column. Let us take, this is 1. 6 into 7, 42. So remaining 4. Then you consider two columns. Let us take two. Two columns means 2, or otherwise we can take two columns. So you take the cross multiplication. You take the cross multiplication and adding. So therefore 6 into 4, 24. 3 into 7, 21. 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 4, 49. The remaining is again 4. Then first column is over, two columns is also over. Then come to one column. 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. 12 plus 4, 16. So therefore first one column you have to take, then two columns you have to take, then one column. So this is the rule. Either you can take this, or you can take 1 to 1 or 1 cross 1. So this is the rule. Again I am telling you, you consider first this column, you multiply it. Okay, first column you multiply it. 6 sevens are 42. So 2 here, the remaining is 4. Then you consider the two columns. You take cross multiplication and adding. What is the cross multiplication? 6 into 4, 24. 3 into 7, 21. 24 plus 21. You have to add it in your mind. So therefore 45. So 45 already we have 4. 45 plus 4 is 49. Remaining 4. Then the two columns is also over. Then one column. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. So therefore this is the rule. We can say that this is a palindrome also. Okay. So therefore this is the shortcut multiplication of two-digit number. Shortcut multiplication of two-digit number. I can take another one also. Suppose let us take 38, 44 or something like that. 4 into 8, 32. Remaining 3. So you have to take the cross multiplication. 12. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 12. 32 plus 12. Therefore 44. 44 plus 3, 47. Remaining 4. Remaining 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. Again I am telling you. So this is the rule. 1 to 1 cross 1. You take this first column. 4 into 8, 32. Remaining 3. Then you take cross multiplication. 12 plus 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. 44 plus 3, 47. Remaining 4. This is also over. This is also over. Then here, so 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay. So therefore, this is the shortcut multiplication of any two-digit numbers. So you have to practice it daily. You have to take 10 sums. You practice it. You will be doing within 15 seconds. You'll be doing it. Then next one is 3-digit numbers. Let us take 3-digit number. 2 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. Suppose let us take 1 2 3 6 5 4 or something like that. The same rule. The rule is first you consider one column, then you consider two columns. Two column means cross multiplication. Then you consider 3 columns from the right. 3 columns means cross multiplication and the multiplication of the middle terms. So you have to multiply this and this, again this and this, and the middle, this and this. So multiply and adding. So this is first column, then these 2 columns, then these 3 columns, then these 2 columns again cross multiplication, then this particular column. This is the rule. Understood? So let us take first one. 4 3s are 12, remaining 1. Remaining 1. Okay. First one is over. First column is 4. 4 3s are 12, the remaining is 1. Now you consider these 2. 2 means take cross multiplication and adding. 4 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 1, 24. Remaining 2. Remaining 2. So 2 columns over. Then you consider these 3. You multiply this and that. 4 into 1 plus 6 into 3 plus 5 into 2. So therefore this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, then middle term you have to multiply. That is the rule. So therefore 4 into 1 4, 6 into 3 18, 18 plus 4 22. You have to keep all those things in your mind. So therefore here is 4, here is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 10, 5 into 2 is 10, 22 plus 10 is 32, 32 plus 2, 34, remaining 3. Again I am telling you, 4 into 1 4, 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 10, 10 means 5 into 2, 10. So therefore 32, 32 plus 2, 34, remaining 3. This 3, this is also over. Then you consider these 2 columns. First this one, then this 2, then this 3, then this 2, then this 1. This 2, 5 into 1, 5, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 3, 17 plus 3 is 20, the remaining is 2. So then one column, this is also over, then consider one column, 6 into 1 is 4, 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So therefore 6 plus 2 is 8, over. This is also over. Again I am repeating you, 4 into 3, 12, remaining 1, remaining 1. Okay, 4 into 3, 12. Then 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15, 8 plus 15 is 23. Okay, 23 plus 1 is 24, the remaining 2. You consider 3, 4 into 1, 6 into 3, 5 into 2. 4 into 1 is 4, 6 into 3 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 10 is 32, 32 plus 2 is 34. So therefore remaining 3. Then you consider next 2 column. So 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, so 0, therefore again the remaining is 2. Therefore 6, ones are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So this is the rule. So you have to practice daily, you have to take 5 sums or 10 sums, you practice it, automatically all these things you require only tables up to 10 by 10 tables only you require, 9 by 9 tables only you require. Okay, so therefore it is I will do the another sum also, one more sum also I will do it. 1 or 2 34 5 26 5 26 6 into 4 24, remaining 2. 6 into 3 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26 plus 2 is 28, again remaining 2. Okay, then 12 plus 20 32, 32 plus 6 38, 38 plus 2 40, remaining 4. Okay, then 4 plus 15 19, 19 plus 4 23, remaining 2. 10, 10 plus 2 12. Again I repeat, 6 4 24, remaining 2. 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 2 28, remaining 2, 2 over, first 1 over, then 2 over, then come to 3, 12 plus 20 32, 32 plus 6 30, 32 plus 6 38, 38 plus 2 40, remaining 4, remaining 4. The 3 things are over. Next to come to these 2, 4 plus 15 19, 19 plus 4 23, 19 plus 4 is 23, so remaining 2. So therefore this is also over. The last one is 10, 10 plus 2 12. So this is the shortcut multiplication of any 2 3-digit numbers, any 2 3-digit numbers. Then the sixth one is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to of n observations, x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn, the sum of all observations divided by n, arithmetic mean. Geometric mean is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 etc. xn, the whole power 1 by n. So this is nothing but geometric mean of n individual observations. Then harmonic mean is equal to n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3 etc. plus 1 by xn. This is nothing but harmonic mean. Actually, arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Here, the equality, when all the 3 things are equal, the observations are equal. The observations are equal. Otherwise, suppose I am taking 2 numbers A and B. 2 numbers A and B. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Geometric mean is equal to square root of AB. Square root of AB. Harmonic mean is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B. 2AB divided by A plus B. This mean is used for calculating the average speed. Calculating the average speed. Suppose the 2 speeds will be given with the same distance. So the average speed is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B. So for finding average speed, we should use only harmonic mean, because average speed is equal to the displacement over a period of time. That's only we use this formula. Okay. Then what is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. So then 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so these are all very basic concepts. Actually, you should learn all those things. Then only it will be very easy to prepare for the competitive examinations. Prepare aptitude for the competitive examinations. Thank you.